Everybody know what's up. Here's the choreography video for Jungle Prologue. This is for the birds. This one's for the birds. Alright. Start by your tree. I like the line formation that we made. Sorry, son, it moved. So stick to the line. You're gonna do, start with your right, face forward, chasse, chasse, step out for 2 chaîné turns. And then for your jump, your right goes first, followed by your left. Look something like this. Then land in forward position, flap your wings. Do that. Now you're going to move back to your tree, starting with your left. Left chasse, left chasse. Then you can step back this time with your left for chaîné, chaîné. I'm going to move here so I have more room. Chasse, chasse, chaîné, chaîné. It's going to be 2. 1, 2, then leap right, land. Doesn't matter how you land, but here, bring your wing in, and fly back to the tree. With music, it's going to be, just get to that. Just like that.